Welcome to Consumer Pick. The best mini bricks is probably one of the most versatile and engaging craft supplies available today, offering a unique tactile experience and endless creative possibilities for artists of all ages. Whether you're looking to build intricate models, decorate everyday objects, or simply enjoy a relaxing and rewarding crafting session, these tiny building blocks provide a fantastic medium for bringing your imagination to life. Their small size and interlocking nature make them perfect for detailed work, allowing for a level of precision and complexity that larger materials simply can't match, ensuring your projects stand out with a distinct charm and character. Number 5. Acacia Grove Mini Red Bricks. Looking for a truly original gift? These miniature bricks are a unique and appreciated present, perfect for desks, birthdays, or dioramas. Crafted with precision, these miniature bricks are made from real cement. They offer the most accurate scale miniature cinder block available. These tiny blocks have many uses. They're great for dioramas, dollhouse pavers, scale RC accessories, or even as a cool desktop toy. Proudly made in the USA using authentic construction materials. Our in-house production ensures the highest quality and attention to detail. Please be aware that these small parts are a choking hazard. They are not suitable for children under 8 years old. What we like? If you're looking for the most authentic miniature building experience, these are for you. They are made from real cement and crafted with incredible attention to detail. For those who value realism and quality in their dioramas or models, these are the perfect choice. What people say? The mini bricks are a good size for small projects. They are easy to glue together and hold paint well. The set comes with a variety of colors, which is great for creative designs. Number 4. NW250 PCS 135 Scale Miniature Dollhouse Brick Set, Red. Introducing a set of miniature building bricks, perfect for your dollhouse or model projects. These tiny red bricks add realistic detail to any miniature scene. Each brick is crafted in a 135 scale, measuring 10 by 5 by 2.5 millimeters for authentic representation. They are designed to bring your miniature creations to life with incredible detail. This set includes 250 pieces, providing ample material for various building endeavors. You'll have plenty to work with for your most ambitious miniature designs. The bricks come in a classic, vibrant red color, offering a traditional look for your dollhouse or model structures. They are ready to be incorporated into your vision. Please be aware that these parts are very small. We strongly advise keeping them away from young children to prevent accidental swallowing. What we like? If you need a larger quantity of bricks for your project and prefer a slightly smaller scale, this set is a great option. With 250 pieces, you'll have plenty to work with for dollhouses or detailed models. Choose these if you're on a budget and need a good volume of red bricks. What people say? These mini bricks are perfect for detailed craft projects, allowing for intricate designs. The bricks are surprisingly sturdy and hold their shape well, making them ideal for building small structures. The variety of colors included in the set is fantastic, offering a wide palette for creative expression. Number 3. DIY Decorative Stencil Template Set, Border. Transform your home and crafts with our versatile decorative stencil set. Perfect for adding a unique touch to walls, furniture, and more. Crafted from high-quality, durable plastic, these stencils are built to last. Simply wash and reuse them for countless projects. Operating them is a breeze, making them ideal for DIY enthusiasts of all skill levels. Achieve professional-looking results with ease. Use them with a variety of mediums, including paints, ink pads, sprays, and airbrushes. The possibilities are endless for your artistic endeavors. Apply them to fabric, wood, cloth, walls, and furniture to create stunning decorative pieces. Let your imagination guide you. This set includes 6 unique border stencils, providing you with a beautiful selection to enhance your scrapbooking, painting, and craft projects. What we like? If your crafting involves adding decorative patterns rather than building structures, these stencils are ideal. They are perfect for painting designs onto walls, furniture, or fabric. If you like adding intricate details and borders to your projects, these reusable templates will be your go-to. What people say? These bricks are perfect for small-scale building projects. The interlocking design allows for stable construction. They are easy to handle and assemble, even for small hands. Number 2. Acacia Grove Real Mini Red Bricks. Looking for a truly original gift? These miniature bricks are a unique surprise that is sure to be appreciated, perfect for any occasion. Crafted from real cement, these miniature bricks are meticulously designed to be the most accurate 1/12 scale blocks available. They are precisely sized for your projects. These versatile miniature blocks are ideal for dioramas, dollhouse projects, scale model accessories, or even as a fun desktop toy. Their uses are limited only by your imagination. Proudly handmade in the USA using authentic construction materials. Our in-house production ensures the highest level of quality and attention to detail in every piece. Please be aware that these items contain small parts and are a choking hazard. They are not suitable for children under 8 years old. What we like? If you need a substantial amount of high-quality miniature bricks for a larger project, this pack is excellent. Offering more pieces than the first option, it maintains the same level of realism and accuracy. If you're building an extensive diorama or model and want the best materials, this is the set to consider. What people say. These mini bricks are perfect for crafting projects, offering a realistic brick-like appearance. The interlocking design of the bricks makes assembly easy and secure for various creations. They are lightweight and easy to handle, making them ideal for both children and adults engaged in crafting. Number 1. Bright Creations Craft Foam Cubes, 3-inch white polystyrene. Discover endless creative possibilities with these versatile foam cubes. They are perfect for transforming school projects into vibrant works of art. Crafted from high-density polystyrene, these blocks are built to last while remaining easy to handle. They provide an ideal foundation for all your sculpting and arrangement needs. Their smooth surface is perfect for painting, cutting, and sanding. Adapt them to any artistic vision, whether for crafting or creating unique shapes. These squares are essential for engaging classroom activities. Use them to construct dice for math games or as blocks for science experiments. These cubes are lightweight and compact, making them simple to store and transport. They are a staple for both professional and hobbyist crafters. What we like? If you're working on school projects, need lightweight building blocks, or want a versatile base for painting and sculpting, these foam cubes are perfect. They are easy to cut, shape, and decorate. If your focus is on creative expression and ease of use for educational or art purposes, these are a fantastic choice. What people say. The bricks are a good size for small hands and easy to assemble. They are very durable and have held up well to repeated use. The variety of colors and shapes is great for creative building projects. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.